Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. So today we have the BTS World Tour Love Yourself Europe and New York Blu-rays. So you'll have seen I did the DVD versions, but now I'm going to check out the Blu-rays. So, start with New York first. Got subtitles in English, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese, so that's cool. I love the holographic stuff. Kind of hard to get out. So here, yeah, it doesn't want to focus. It's kind of even hard for my eyes to see, to be honest with you, but it looks really cool. Yeah, camera does not like that. City Field 2018, October 16th. New York City Field. So you've got the special underneath. Very cool. So that's the Blu-ray. So disc 1 you can see is the New York. Disc 2 is the last 3 songs and then the making of film. So let's take a quick flip through. Yeah, it seems like on the Blu-ray one, J-Hope, my bias. I gotta say though, that's a weird picture. It looks kind of a creepy face. It's a weird one. I'm a J-Hope bias, but man, that's a weird one. Seems like on the Blu-ray, they always give you less of the picture book kind of stuff. Make a much smaller picture book if you're getting the Blu-ray. You know, it costs more. Kind of interesting. So, unless you really want the high def of the Blu-ray, and you've got that going on for you, if you like the Photobook type stuff more, you're going to want to check out the DVDs. They typically have a much bigger photo book. But what that means is I'll probably be able to do both of these in one video. Make it a little easier. We could do a nice little comparison. Got the credits. So this again, the New York show is their first stadium show in the US. It's really exciting. I had just seen them in New Jersey and LA like a month before, and then this got announced and I had no more money, so I didn't get to go. So I was a little bit sad about that, but that's alright. I've seen them 4 times now. Got tickets to see them 2 more times, but with the COVID stuff, that's not happening anytime soon. So, yeah, they're a little simpler as you can see. Not as many photos as the DVDs, but hey, that's alright. We'll be able to get through both of these at the same time as one. Alright, so Europe. This took place in the O2 Dome, and then they also did Amsterdam, Berlin, and Paris. So, got the makings of the 4 different ones there. Pretty cool. So these are actually 1080p, so you're getting that higher quality experience. Hard to get out of the box. This one's like super sealed. There we go. Alright. Got the same thing. Camera probably can't even, picking it up a little bit better there. Yeah, I mean, I really like this look. It looks really cool to the eyes. It's just really hard for cameras to check out. So let's see what they got here. So they got a different one. Oh, that's cool. I like this one. Looks like Suga's giving a whoop or something. Looks like they're having fun at the end of a show. Europe. Alright. somewhere in here is going to be the photo card. Alright, what do we got? Ooh, we got V in all black. Ah, that's a nice card. Yeah, that's a great one. Got the whole team. Very cool card. Really like that one. I don't get too many V's, so that's nice. So the photo book again is much shorter in this DVD. Oh, that's a cool shot. I like that. It's kind of nice though, these Blu-ray ones, because pictures just get more to the point, you know? Just like the best of reel. Jimmy. Nice encore. They're wearing those black shirts. I think those shirts were like $60. And oh, they're just all black and they have a little tiny red tag on them. I couldn't make myself afford that. Alright. Well, yeah, these Blu-ray ones, a little more shorter, a little more simple. So let me know what you thought about this this video. What was your favorite? Did you like the New York or Europe box the best? Did you go to any of these? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a like and subscribe if you like this video. And as usual, talk to you soon.